Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of dilations and measurements. This is standard 8.10D in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 35 of the 2023 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got polygon A, and it's being dilated into polygon B. We need the area in square meters of polygon B. Well, it's just a whole bunch of words right now. So my suggestion is let's draw something. So polygon A has an area of 27R square meters. So we don't know what polygon A is, but you know what? Let's keep it simple. I'm going to say that, I'll use my connect line feature. I'm going to say that polygon A is a rectangle. Since I'm getting to choose what that polygon is, I'm going to keep it simple right there. All right, so polygon A is going to be 27R. Now, my area, right? Area equals base times height. And my area equals that 27R. So you know what? I'm just going to make my base 27 and my height R. Okay, so I'll say that's 27 meters, and this is R meters. I don't know what R stands for. Doesn't really matter. The area equals 27R meters squared. Okay, so this is polygon A. Now, let's look at polygon B. What do we know about polygon B? Well, it's the same as polygon A, except that it's dilated by a scale factor of 3. Okay, so factor means multiplication, and we're multiplying it by 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this polygon A, we're going to blow it up 3 times as large. So let's take our height right here. This R looks like it's 2 units, right? You notice I'm using the connect line feature here, and I've got 2 units up. So if I'm going to multiply that by 3, it's going to end up being 6. So I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to give myself plenty of room. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's 6 units up. But what did I really do there? Well, what I did was I did 3 times R, and then it's meters, right? I multiplied it by 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it's 5 units across. Those 5 units equal that 27. So I'm going to have to multiply that by 3. That's going to be 15. Okay, so that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, so I didn't necessarily center it perfectly, but that is something that is 3 times as large. Okay, so I took my height, which was R meters, and I multiplied that by 3. Now I need to take my base, which is 27 meters, and I multiplied it by 3. So I multiplied my height by 3 and my base by 3. That's that scale factor of 3. So whereas my small polygon A was 27R meters squared, what would the area of this big one be? Well, that's what I'm looking for. Okay, well, it's base times height. So area equals base times height. My base is 3 times 27 meters times 3 times R meters. Okay, so what's 3 times 27, right? So let's get out our calculators here. So my base is that 3 times that 27, and then my height is that 3 times R. I'm just going to add that other 3 in there. That's going to be 243, and then I still don't know what that R is, so it's going to be 243 R square meters. That is going to be A.